Hey everybody, Ryan here at eTrailer. Today we're going to be checking out the Pollak 7-way circuit tester. What this tool is going to do is allow you to check the functions of your vehicle's 7-way. So this is a bladed style, so extremely common. You see these on RVs and pickup trucks and SUVs like what we have here today. And it's going to check all of those lighting functions. So we're going to have left turn, TM for taillights, RT for right turn. This one down here will be our 12-volt auxiliary power. BK will check our brake controller output, and BU will be backup or reverse lights. And then, of course, whenever you hit the brakes, both of the turn signal lights should illuminate, letting us know our brake signal's working. Why don't we get right into it though and check our vehicle's trailer functions, make sure the 7-way's working. So this will just plug right into your 7-way, and if the lights illuminate, we know that circuit is working. So right away, our 12-volt power illuminated, so we know that's good, but we'll go ahead, get inside the vehicle here and run through the rest of our functions. We'll go ahead and turn on our taillights. I'll go ahead and turn them off, and now we'll try our left turn signal, our right turn signal. We'll hit our brakes, and if you had a brake controller, you would apply power to it to test that function. In our case, our vehicle doesn't have one, so we don't have to worry about it, but it'll work the same as all the other signals if you do. And then I'll have to start up the truck here, put it in reverse, and test out that signal. A very simple tool, and it's something good to have, especially if you pull a lot of trailers or tow often. And this is just going to help you isolate a problem if you do happen to have one, which it seems like it never fails. You go to hook up to a trailer, it's been sitting for a while, seems like you end up running into issues with the light. So instead of wondering if it's your vehicle side or the trailer side, this will help you determine that. So let's just say, for example, you hook up to your trailer, everything's working other than, say, the left turn and brake light signal. What you could do at that point is take your tester, plug it in. If it's working on your vehicle side, you need to focus your efforts on the trailer, because that's likely where the issue's gonna lie. But let's say you plug this in and it's not working on your vehicle side. That's gonna let you know that something's going on with the truck, right? Probably a pop fuse or something along those lines. So you can get that sorted first, hook up to your trailer, test it out. If it's all working like it should, great. If not, chances could be you might have an issue on the truck and the trailer. So it's just one of those things that kind of gets you going in the right direction and makes it a little bit easier to figure out any type of lighting issues that you might run into. Just to do a quick comparison, here is a Curt 7-way tester, and I really don't have a preference, so to speak. It's a pretty simple tool. Either one will work just fine. One thing I did kind of notice with the Curt is that it's a little bit longer, and so if I go to plug this into the 7-way, most 7-ways are very similar to this, it comes out a little bit further. So it's a little bit easier to see the lights. I'll plug this one in, just give you a visual. The Pollak one, not a game changer, but something I did notice. And I will say, with both of these, I've experienced in the past, some of these more late model trucks that have factory built-in brake controllers, sometimes the truck is almost too smart and it doesn't recognize these as being a trailer, so to speak. So sometimes if you go to test that function, and that's not the case with every late model truck, just some of them that I've ran into. When you go to test that function, sometimes it doesn't really want to work, even though the brake controller is working, just because this is, the truck's, like I said, almost too smart and realizes this isn't a trailer. But just wanted to mention that in case you run into that issue. But other than that, at the end of the day, this is a good tool to have that you can throw in your glove box and could potentially save you some headache whenever you go to hook up to your trailer next time.